Hello everybody, welcome back to another edition of the EcoStruxure Control Expert training. I'm your host, Leandro Mada, and in this video what we're going to see is how we can migrate or update the firmware of the M580 once the M580 has already the firmware 4. something. Okay, so in my case, I'm going to update the firmware from 4.3 to 4.4 of M580. So let's go to the Schneider website. So the first thing is to go into the M580 webpage. And here you should be able to find the software and firmware. You just need to download this, okay? And then you just open the automation device maintenance. It's opening your screen. Okay, good. So I'm going to move it. Oops, to the side. Once you download the file, you just need to put it in this folder. Okay, let's see if I can show you that. Here I have on data package, I create a M580 folder. They have different versions. I have downloaded the latest one, 4.4. So now we just need to catalog, modernize. Here just need to put the IP address. In my case is 192.168.1.58. App device. Then I just need to set the credentials. It's going to be loader, and then the password application, the one that you have set. Okay, if not, it's going to be FW download. In my case is administrator1. Okay, save and connect, and then this one should be in green. Now that we have this, we just need to select the firmware version. Here, this one. Select and firmware. Let's save. Connected. Trust. Update. Firmware is already selected. Nothing is going to be an upgrade. Next, you should read all this. Confirm, and then you just start the process. Okay. Here you can see what's going on. It's very simple. As soon as you already have one 4. something already made. Okay, now I'm just going to upgrade to the same firmware version. And the version 4.4 would allows you to connect with the Modicon Edge I because it has CTN and would require this version of the firmware. So just wait for it to finish. Okay. Let's stop the video or pause the video. So it's doing something now. Validate, decoding, installing. Just getting there. But hopefully I should be able to put it in run later. Okay. So for it. I can see on my side it's doing something, but just wait for it. Pause the video. Okay, so now we change the firmware validated, reset it. Okay. So it started 24 and it took me almost 4 minutes. So now it's booting up, waiting for the device to restart. Just for you to see how much time does it take. Okay, so far we are 5 minutes doing it. Notifications, nothing at all. can see it's booting up while this is doing something. Here you should be able to see the firmware. There we go, it's the latest one. Okay, so now we have just finally updated the firmware on the M580, so we are ready to play with the newest functionality. So this is how you can upgrade the firmware for version 4.3 to firmware 4.4, which allows to use the Modicon Edge I. Okay, this one then I'm going to play with it. Confirmation requested. Yes, confirm. There we go. So this is how you can update the firmware. It's very straightforward once you have the version 4. something. Okay, but if not, you should have intermediate firmware to go for the version 3. something to 3.99 and then go to the 4. I have already done a video explaining this. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you on the next one.